Hello, this is Brian Pendergraft, attorney for real estate entrepreneurs and businesses like yourself. And I just wanted to do a quick video to accompany my latest blog post, why real estate agents should form their own limited liability companies. And I want to explain this from both a practical and legal perspective. Starting with practical. Now, from a practical perspective, you act much more like a business owner or an entrepreneur than an employee. For one, you probably come up with a business plan to help people buy and sell more houses. You know, how many phone calls am I going to make this week, or what am I going to do in order to sell more houses? How am I going to get referrals? And you map it all out, and then you go and do it. And that's the tell of a business owner right there. You know, non-business owners don't have to come up with a business plan. You know, they carry out someone else's plan. But in order to be a successful real estate agent, you have to come up with a business plan. You set up your own schedule, you come up with your own marketing materials. In fact, you do the same things that I do in my business. You probably have to fill multiple roles. Employees tend to do one thing that they are employed to do, while someone else may focus on sales, or someone else focuses on business development. But you probably do many of those things yourself, and that is exactly what an entrepreneur or a business owner has to do. And that is why, you know, I think from a practical perspective, you essentially already operate as a business. Now, from a legal perspective, you are responsible for paying your own payroll taxes. Signed that, you know, you're not an employee. You're an independent contractor that is given a 1099 at the end of the year. Your broker does not set your working hours. You're treated as a separate money-making entity from the brokerage that you work at. So when I hear the term, you know, separate money-making entity, I just see that as an unofficial business. So why not make it official? Now there are pros and cons to business formation, and I go in detail about this in the blog post, but I'm just going to lay out a few of them for you right now. For one, limited liability. A limited liability company places a hurdle between your business activity and your personal activity that creditors have to get over. So I think that reason alone is enough to form a business entity. But that's not enough for you. You can take advantage of business write-offs. There's home office deductions, marketing expenses, mileage from showing all of those houses. You know, businesses, you know, your business can write that stuff off. And the third reason it looks super cool. The Pendergraft firm just sounds a lot more cooler and more official than Brian Pendergraft. So, you know, you're gonna come up with some cool sounding official name, and people will take you more seriously and be more likely to do business with you. At least I think. At least that's been my experience with my business. Please be sure to check the blog for should be coming up at the bottom of the video. So check the blog post for even more pros and cons of forming a business entity. And I also explain the Maryland law that allows real estate agents to form their own business entities. So if your broker tells you can't do it, it's not lawful, it's not true. And again, you know, it's not all roses. They cost money to maintain and to create. But overall, I think that the pros greatly outweigh the cons. And after checking the post, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. And thank you for watching. Take care.